telling me to not go back to what we had. Something in my heart was telling me to hold on, knowing I could break you, knowing I could win you over. Something in my mind was telling me to run, telling me to not go back to what we had. Something in my heart was telling me to hold on, knowing I could break you, knowing I could win you over. So take my hand in yours, and I'll follow you now. I won't let go of you now.